Let me do Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. Willie Nelson made it popular, but I recorded it many, many years before Willie did. Let's see how well you play it on the dobro. In the twilight glow I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. All right. Thank you. You did a great job. Now you sing.
I'll hold you in my arms till I can hold you in my arms
Yes, sir.
like you've never been held before. I'll think of you each day, and then I'll dream the night away till you are in my arms once more. The stars up in the sky, no reason why I feel so blue when I'm away from you. I'll hold you in my heart till I can hold you in my arms. So darling, please wait for me.
You're pretty. All right. Oh, my goodness. Let me try a number here that I did in a picture many years ago. No one will ever know. In the key of D. You hunt it and I'll try to find it. Beautiful. No one will ever know. My heart is breaking. Although a million teardrops start to flow, I'll cry myself to sleep and wake up smiling. You've hurt me, but no one will ever know. I'll tell them we grew tired of each other and realize our dreams could never be. I'll even make believe I never loved you. Then no one will ever know the truth but me.
He's slaving over a hot dobro.
That's all right, but if my voice would clear up a little, you're doing the dobro good.
I'm doing my best.
I'm not worried
Knowing
about
that
that.
Oswald's watching has got me a little bit nervous.
Don't
Let
worry.
me do one called Each
Don't.
Minute Seems a Million Years.
I love it. I love it when you say
I have no record now of time. For you, Lord, it's on my mind. I think of you both night and day. Each hour, each minute you're away. Was it days or years since you left? Oh, how many hours now have passed? I know I've shed 10,000 tears. Each minute seems a million years.
Oh, yeah. Mighty nice. You're not bothered with frogs in your neck at all.
Not really, but just a little bit of...
Yeah, this is what's
This is killing me right now.
This is on your lap's what bothering you on your toe. The waltz of the wind. You were there in my arms, alone in the moonlight. The trees played the waltz of the wind. It was there that I knew I'd love you forever. We danced to the waltz of the wind. The stars up above you looked down in your eyes and told me the night would never end. Now I'm dreaming of you till we meet tomorrow and dance to the waltz of the wind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you can see full episodes of some of your favorite shows at www.countryroadtv.com.